I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Fly browser app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, you click here on me down here, just click on it. When you click on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to copied link auto detection here. So then you just click in this sign here. Like you see this color show for us as main copied link auto detection. It's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable it uh, on your Fly browser app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.